Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, I bought a bag full of cotton balls from Walmart and I've never had problems with them before, but these seem like they're not as reactive as they should be. So I went ahead and bought some Family Dollar cotton balls. Let's see if we can do a comparison. Let's just see how they burn side by side. All right, I'm going to eventually get to comparing fire rolls, but let's start off with a Bic lighter burn test. Walmart on my right, Family Dollar on my left. Let's just see if they burn about the same. Family Dollar, Walmart. They're doing about the same job. Let's ferrite ignite them now. Walmart on the right, Family Dollar on the left. Still can't tell a difference, but you sure can when you're fire rolling them. I'm wondering if they're lying. Walmart's supplier is lying that they are 100% cotton. Maybe adding a little bit of rayon in there, some other kind of man-made fiber. All right, let's fire roll the Walmart first. These are a lot harder to get into also. Usually you could pick at the outside of a cotton ball and that edge would become apparent. These, not so much. So that's like another little sort of aggravation. So when you can't find the edge, sort of tears the cotton up when you have to sort of force it to unroll. We'll give them all the same. 10 rolls in one direction, turn it 180 degrees, 10 more rolls, and let's see how intensely it burns. That might be ignited. And another Walmart cotton ball. This one is ignited. Good. One more Walmart. And this one is ignited. Let's see if there's a difference with the Family Dollar. That unrolled normally. And Family Dollar cotton ball took right off. As I've told you before, it's really hard to show you what something isn't on video. Yesterday when I made the rust fire roll, it almost didn't ignite. And I think with some of the other fire rolls that just barely ignited, I think there's something wrong with Walmart's cotton balls. Once again, a good hot ignition right from the start across the whole length of the dark area. It ignited easily, no problem. Let's see how they do individually with firing up a pine needles tinder bundle. We'll start off with the Walmart. Very slow to start up. And let's try the Family Dollar, see how it does. This is called Modisa. That starts up a whole lot faster. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. 4 breaths to get this one started, but a lot of that has to do with how dense the tinder bundle is, how deep I put it into that tinder bundle. I'm going to switch over to the Family Dollar cotton balls. We'll catch you on the next one.